3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're unable to connect accounts on Epic Games, start by visiting the Epic Games website and logging into your account. Navigate to the support section and select Accounts. Scroll down the page and click on Contact Us. In the form that appears, most of the information will autofill, but you can optionally specify your platform, such as PC. Under Contact Reason, choose Link to Console Account. In the description box, explain your issue in detail. For example, you might write, "Hello, I am encountering an error while trying to link my Epic Games account. Provide your Epic Games username, Epic Games Num, with my Nintendo Switch account. Provide your Nintendo Switch username, e.g. NumYT. Ensure you include relevant account names and the platform you are having trouble with, but avoid sharing sensitive details like passwords. Once submitted, Epic Games will review your request and respond via email, providing further instructions to resolve the issue. Typically, they respond within a few days or even a few hours.